In this video, we will show you how to use Samsung Wallet. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so if you wanted to know more about Samsung Wallet, you might want to go here at the FAQs section. Alright, so Samsung Wallet is essentially the secure go everywhere app for your essentials like keys, IDs, credit cards, membership cards, cashback, and more. So it is safely stored in one spot, all accessible with one swipe. And Samsung Wallet includes everything you love about Samsung Pay along with features from Samsung Pass and more. So I'm using Samsung Wallet right now. It's very convenient and it helps me a lot. Alright, now, is Samsung Wallet different than Samsung Pay? Well, the answer, Samsung Wallet is built on the Samsung Pay app. So it includes everything you love about Samsung Pay along with the features from Samsung Pass and more, alright? And Samsung Wallet does support your mobile phone, alright? So here are the compatible list of the following Galaxy devices. S series, S23, S23 Plus, Ultra. So here are the lists of the Samsung Wallet supported mobile phones, alright? They also have the A series, and Samsung Wallet is available only on devices running Android 9 or above, and the available features and content may vary by your country or region, device model, carrier, and firmware version. Alright, now if you're wondering, is Samsung Wallet secure? Now Samsung Wallet prides itself that it goes out of its way to safeguard your privacy because it uses several special security methods like tokenization to secure your personal and financial information. Now, tokenization is a method of replacing your sensitive payment card information such as your card number, expiration date, security code, etc. with a device-specific token which acts as a surrogate value. Say for example, in mobile payments, tokens are used to protect your payment information and reduce the risks inherent to plastic cards. So on top of that, Samsung Knox constantly monitors and protects your phone from malware and other threats. Alright? Now, normal applications or malware have no access to the information inside. Alright? So Samsung Wallet is really super secure. I attest to that because I'm also using Samsung Wallet right now. Now, if you're wondering, does Samsung Wallet protect data? Of course, when you add your payment card to Samsung Wallet, the information is encrypted and sent to Samsung servers and ultimately to the card issuer's payment network. Say for example, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, alright? And you're also gonna be getting a one-time password, alright? What are the Samsung Wallet's main features? Of course, you can add your qualifying Visa, MasterCard. You can also add your qualifying credit, debit, gift, membership cards, and certain digital keys to your devices. Now you can store and check your personal data and information about qualifying digital assets, alright? Now, how to open Samsung Wallet? All you're gonna do, you can check your favorite store with no hassle. It can be accessed in a few ways. Swipe up on your phone's home screen to open the app drawer. Of course, you need to navigate to tap and Samsung Wallet app icon. If you have the quick access shortcut enabled, you can just swipe up from the very bottom of your phone screen to open Samsung Wallet, alright? Even if your phone screen is off or locked. And now, you're going to be in complete control on how to launch the quick access shortcut. Open Samsung Wallet and then open the menu tab. If you're still wondering how to set up Samsung Wallet, alright? So again, it depends on your country or region and the varying model. But if you have a supported device, you should have Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet already installed on your phone. If not, your phone might not have the latest software, or you are in the restricted region or country. Alright, but again, you just download any software updates that may be available from the settings. Alright, or just visit the Galaxy Store to download Samsung Wallet. Alright, that's it. And just follow the on-screen instructions. And how to migrate from Samsung Pay to Samsung Wallet. Alright, it's easy. Just update from Samsung Pay to Samsung Wallet. And just follow, again, the on-screen instruction. Anyone can do it, really. Now, for payments, if you want to add or your credit or debit cards to Samsung Wallet, alright, say for example, you've downloaded the Samsung Wallet and you've finished the setup, you simply add your credit or debit card to it, alright? Just click on the plus icon, alright? Tap payment cards. The app will activate the camera and you can scan your credit or debit card, alright? Depending on your card design, the card number may be in the front or at the back of your card, alright? And just again, follow the on-screen instructions. And if you planning to remove a payment card from Samsung Wallet, so once again, open Samsung Wallet on your phone, open the menu tab, and then tap payment cards. Select the card you want to remove, and then tap using your Samsung Wallet or Samsung Pay on one device, alright? And if you're planning to make in-store payments with Samsung Pay, all I'm gonna do, if you enable the quick access shortcut, just swipe at the bottom of your phone display from the home screen, alright? And once doing that, authenticate your preferred verification method, alright? And then hold back the phone to the contactless reader or payment terminal until it indicates payment is complete. So how cool is it, right? So I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.